We do a lot of puzzles in our house, and keeping the pieces organized makes a huge difference. And these sort and go trays have become one of those tools we didn't realize we needed until we tried them. And believe me, they make the whole setup smoother right from the start. Before we started using these, we used all kinds of cheap fixes like paper plates and bowls. And one thing we realized is that a lot of times they're just way too shallow and pieces slide out. And then you end up making a bigger mess than you started with. But these trays immediately solved all of that. The depth of each tray is what really stands out. Even when someone bumps the table, pieces stay put. You're not constantly picking things up off the floor. They're also genuinely sturdy. You can stack them, carry them around, and shuffle them between stations without them bending or losing shape. They really feel like something that's gonna last. Space-wise, they stack up cleanly and don't take over your table. When the puzzle starts getting crowded, it's easy to pick up the whole stack and move things aside. That alone keeps the workspace feeling calm instead of chaotic. For 1,000-piece puzzles, these trays are more than enough. We sort by color, edges, patterns, whatever we need, and everything stays organized as the puzzle comes together. It speeds up the whole process without making it feel like work. And honestly, organization makes puzzles more inviting for everyone. Family members can sit down for a few minutes, sort a group, place a couple of pieces, and keep it moving. It turns the puzzle table into a shared space instead of a cluttered one. So if puzzles are part of your home, or you're looking for a simple upgrade that reduces frustration, these trays do exactly what you want. They keep everything contained, easy to find, and easy to move. It's a small investment that makes the whole experience better.